Natural stone has a variety of shapes and has occupied its place in the history of architecture.
The stone has evolved geologically to form a natural fracture surface. This unique texture brings a strong visual impact. The modern mining and processing technology advances. The natural formation of structure surface stone is more widely used.
Generally speaking, natural stone surface is a stone that has its surface with natural look, unlike the granite that we see here, which has got some knots in them. But the words natural surface in the market means the natural undiluted face formed by splitting, knocking, and fracturing, also called natural split surface. The natural stone surface can range between 2,200 by 1,200 millimeters, and the thickness can be between 50 to 110. But this doesn't mean we cannot customize according to the customer's desires. Usually, the cost of stone consists of cutting fee, stone losses, and transportation. The price per square meter of natural stone is in tens and thousands of dollars. The larger the size, the higher the price.